Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to customize footer menu in Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to be able to edit your website in Shopify, you're going to have to go under Online Store and then Themes. Over here, you're going to have to click on the Customize button over here. After selecting that, we will be redirected to the editing page of Shopify, where we will be able to customize our online store. As you can see here, now after that, you're going to look over here on the left side. As you can see, you have the header, template, and then footer. Basically, this is our footer over here. Simply select this, and you will be able to see all the information, everything that you could customize in the footer area of your Shopify store. So that's basically it. That is how you will be able to customize your footer menu in Shopify. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.